the silver color. Here. Cut 9 centimeter or 10 centimeter, both okay. 2 piece. Here. 1 millimeter the sides. Silver color 0.4, 26 gauge. Also cut it 70 centimeter. 70 here. That was the second ring I made after the rose one. So cute. Yeah. Here. This we started at the beginning about 10 centimeter, and here you see I put the wire together inside, so tight the 3 wire here. Okay. This one. Rubber 1, so it's move. Okay, so need to tight it, let it not move. Oh, if you want to weave the sides, sometimes adjust the sides. Here left longer, here I left so short, but if you want to adjust the length of the ring, left 10 centimeter here. I'm here just to make it medium size, so I'm not going to keep the wire longer. Okay, then here wrap up tight. We can finish it faster here. 1, 2, tight, tight. 1, 2, tight, tight. 1, 2, tight, tight. 1, 2, tight, tight. 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this wave technique is fast to make. Today is the wire wrapper ring, wire day. Yeah, here. Here, 1, 2, wrapper, wrapper. 1, 2, wrapper, wrapper. Okay, when I feel it's almost okay, 2.5. Okay, we go start. Let the wire come at the middle of the 2 wire. So it's come at the middle space. You go put these beads, clear color. 4 millimeter here I use now. So let it left a little bit. I read 1.25 hours to and from work. Practice ring wrap tomorrow. Okay. Work. Yeah. Be careful, your boss coming. Okay, here. Yes, it's here. This. And you see, I wrapper here. This one. And let the piece of this one, the beads. Thank you for your nice follow. ALTA. String the beads. What size is the beads? 2 millimeter and 4 millimeter. Middle is 4 millimeter, side 2 millimeter. here, this one, you see here, then we go around the beads. So does you understand? I'm not add another one of the wire, just a seam wire here, seam wire from the wrapper, and tight it. So here the beads is too much, a lot. Here just one more. Okay, let's see. Tight. Okay, I think tight is better than loose. If too loose, the base, the small beads will be go out, because here our purpose is let the middle beads bigger, so the small beads is on the bottom of the big beads, so it stay here like a flower shape. My guess you got it. Then here we continue with, so you don't need to wrap, so just wave here, 1 2 wrap, 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 1 2. One, two. One, two. Hello, Sabine. Happy to see you. Yeah. Okay. Maggie, so is it understand here? Okay, so you just put the 2mm bead on the 0.4, put them around the, yes. I'm good, Sabine. Thank you. How are you? Okay. Wrap. 1 2. Yeah, very pretty in silver. Okay. Tight. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Fold it and fold it. Wrap. Open. Tight. tight. Okay. Not a real pro. This is the 2mm is the glass pro. Yeah. Here. Seam. It's glass pro here. So this one the smaller. Yeah, so that's the difference. Small cute flower, this one the big flower. Yeah, need some 2mm beads but not pro. So what's the beads you want? Yeah, you can go to my web shop, you will find the crystal 2mm beads. We have a lot in my web shop. Okay, so this one ring day. Yeah, okay. So finish the another one.